Hello students, in this video I will discuss about the process management of an operating system. What do you mean by the process management? A program does not nothing unless its instructions are executed by a CPU. A program in execution, as mentioned, is a process. A time-shared user program such as compiler is a process. A word processing program being run by an individual user on a PC is a process. A system task such as sending output to a printer can also be a process. For now, you can consider a process to be a job or a time-shared program, but later you will learn that the concept of more general. A process needs certain resources including CPU time, memory files and I/O devices to accomplish its task. These resources are either given to the process when it is created or allocated to it while it is running. In addition to the various physical and logical resources that a process obtains when it is created, various initialization data, that is input, may be passed along. For example, you can consider a process whose function is to display the status of a file on the screen of a terminal. The process will be given as an input the name of the file and will execute the appropriate instruction and system calls to obtain the display on the terminal the desired information. When the process terminates, the operating system will reclaim any reusable resources. We can emphasize that a program by itself is not a process. A program is a passive entry, such as the contents of a file stored on disk, whereas a process is an active entity. A single-threaded process has one program counter specifying the next instruction to execute. Threads will be covered in this video. The execution of such process must be sequential. The CPU executes one instruction of the process after another until the process completes. A process is a unit of work in a system, such as a system consists of a collection of processes, some of which are operating system processes that execute system code, and the rest of these which are user processes, those that execute user code. All these processes can potentially execute concurrently by multiplexing the CPU among them on a single CPU. The operating system is responsible for the following activities in a connection with process management: creating and deleting both user and system processes, suspending and resuming processes, providing mechanisms for process synchronization, providing mechanisms for process communication, providing mechanisms for deadlock handling.